this is Myra. And okay, so we made it to Silver Lake area, and today is Detox Monday. So I just wanted to bring you along and just show you my process of detoxing from a long weekend of all carbs, all good stuff. So I'm not sure if you can tell, but the streets are very much wet. This is a post rainy day weekend. We normally don't have rain, so today feels amazing. We have a little light coming through, so this is a treat actually. So Mondays are actually my favorite day of the week because by now I should have my week planned out. This week actually kicked off really nice. I had COVID booked this morning, so I've already tested for COVID, checked that. I'm booked on Wednesday, so I have the opportunity to schedule around my Monday and Wednesday. Pretty. Silver Lake in LA, probably one of our favorite areas. We are doing turmeric. So here is the selection, and this little boy is craving the little eggs. I don't know why. You don't even like, do you like egg? I didn't realize you like egg. But here we go. So here are the little egg bites that obviously he's obsessed with. So we added, it's one whole egg. It has kale, Romano cheese. It's 12 o'clock, midday, and this is actually my brunch. So this is what's gonna get me going. This is my energy boost for the gym. Energy is everything. I feel refilled, refreshed. That was a reset for the week, and I just need to get ready for the week. It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a fun one. I am booked for the first time this week, so I should be back on set on Wednesday. So I get to go back to the La La Land playground, and I'm so excited and I can't wait. So here we go, week 3. Let's crush it.